Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your writing and grammar job for today. So today we are going to review and use those possessive nouns that we talked about yesterday. Do you remember how we would show possessive nouns yesterday? This is a little bit of a review. How did we show that a noun, a person, or a thing owned something? That it was possessive? Apostrophe S. So we're going to take a closer look at that today, boys and girls, and we are going to take a look at our target skill for today, which is I can use possessive nouns to add details to my writing. So today, boys and girls, we are going to make your writing more exciting by adding some possessive nouns. Let's get started. All right, boys and girls, this is June. Does June own something? If you were to write a sentence about this picture, what could you say? One thing you could say is, June's clock tells him when to wake up. This is my sentence, boys and girls. Do you see that June owns something in my sentence? Do you see the apostrophe S to tell you that something belongs to June? What belongs to June? The clock belongs to June. Isn't this sentence more exciting other than if I had said, the clock wakes him up? Is that very exciting? June's clock tells him when to wake up. Let's do another one. This is Ron. If you had to write a sentence about this picture, what could you say that Ron owns, that he possesses? I said, Ron's pizza looks delicious. This is an exciting sentence because I didn't just say, the pizza looks delicious. It's Ron's pizza that looks delicious. I added that detail to the sentence. Do you see how I know that Ron owns the pizza? Apostrophe S. This is Mary. Think of a sentence that you could write about this picture. I wrote, Mary's mask is orange and yellow. Whose mask is it? It's Mary's mask. All right, boys and girls, this is Ben. What does Ben own in this picture? Think of a sentence that you could write. I wrote, Ben's ball is brand new. He's playing with a brand new basketball. Whose ball is it? It's Ben's ball. All right, boys and girls, who's this? Can you write a sentence about this picture? Well, I wrote a sentence and it says, Miss Rossman's crown is sparkly. Whose crown is it? It's Miss Rossman's. And you can tell because the apostrophe S. Who's this? Could you write a sentence about this picture? I did. I wrote, Miss Mikahel's sweater looks warm. Whose sweater is it? It's Miss Mikahel's sweater. Because I wrote that apostrophe S to show you that Miss Mikahel is a possessive noun, that she owns the sweater. All right, boys and girls, you have some grammar practice in IXL today. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.